I am here with another car that single-handedly shattered Ferrari's dominance at Le Mans and became the ultimate symbol of a bitter multi-million-dollar corporate grudge. Now let's ride on. We are looking at the legendary 1966 Ford GT40 Mark II, an endurance weapon engineered by Carroll, Shelby and Kar Kraft. Hidden beneath its low-slung, highly aerodynamic bodywork is a massive, race-prepared 7.0-litre 427 cubic inch V8 engine, delivering a fierce, factory-rated 485 horsepower and 475 pound-feet of torque through a single 4-barrel carburetor. When you mash the throttle, it creates a terrifying linear explosion of speed, rocketing the car from 0 to 60 in just over 3 seconds up to a top speed of nearly 200 miles per hour. This monumental power plant is paired with a heavy-duty Kar Kraft T44 4-speed manual transmission that requires a heavy, highly deliberate movement of the seal-mounted shifter, causing out an intensely mechanical, direct bond between the driver and the rear tires. Managing this twin-tank machine requires absolute concentration, especially since its real-world fuel economy hovers around a very tasty 10 miles per gallon. But what it drinks in high-octane fuel, it returns in rock-solid chassis composure, thanks to a stiffer, thicker-gauge steel monocoque tub and sophisticated two-way adjustable Koni dampers that iron out track ripples seamlessly at triple-digit speeds. Handling is an entirely physical, unassisted experience with immediate, laser-precise steering responsiveness that vibrates violently with every track imperfection, demanding serious upper body strength. Stepping inside the cockpit requires you to slide over a wide structural seal and drop into a nearly horizontal driving position in high-bolstered floor-pan integrated bucket seats featuring brass ventilation eyelets. Stand-out structural quirks like a dome-mounted Gurney bubble are essential just to clear a racing helmet due to the car's microscopic 40-inch height, while rearward visibility is severely compromised by massive mid-engine cooling ducts creating substantial blind spots. The Spartan interior completely strips away luxury using raw painted steel and a mechanical user interface dominated by analog gauges, toggle switches and a massive 3-spoke steering wheel with no digital screens, voice commands or cargo space to distract you from the deafening mechanical roar of the V8 vibrating right behind your shoulder blades. Braking confidence is exceptionally high for the era, utilizing heavy-duty ventilated 4-wheel disc brakes featuring quick-change caliper designs engineered by Ford to prevent fading over 24 hours of continuous track torture. In terms of safety, the GT40 Mark II relies entirely on heavy-gauge steel frame reinforcements rather than modern driver assistance tech, while historical reliability was ironed out via 1966 factory revisions that introduced stronger suspension mounts and enhanced fuel pump cooling to cure prototype vapor lock issues. Sourcing parts or managing maintenance requires a dedicated team of vintage race mechanics, as keeping the high compression dry sump lubrication system perfectly tuned is a highly specialized craft. In today's ultra-elite global collector market, a verified original transcends traditional vehicle pricing, commanding staggering auction valuations ranging between $6 million and upwards of $10 million, making it a highly stable, appreciating blue-chip investment that has long outrun depreciation. Ultimately, the pros are its legendary 427 powertrain and historic Le Mans racing pedigree, while the cons are its extreme interior heat, zero passenger conveniences, and heavy blind spots. It is a historic legend, tailor-made exclusively for elite vintage collectors and performance purists who want to experience the raw, unadulterated theater of 1960 sports car racing, aiming it an absolute, uncompromising recommendation.